I want to tell everyone that it's super professional. It's a light operation, it's no big deal. It's around 5 hours, the personnel is super professional, very nice. So I'm here to recommend to anybody who can come. I mean, really, you'll feel a new person. And this is something that I really recommend.
Hello, my name is Emmanuel. I'm 54 years old. I'm French and I'm a model and an actor. And I came to HWT Clinic 5 years ago to do my first hair transplant. And they did the front line and the sides. And it's a complete success. I'm here today for the second time because at my age the hair keeps falling down. So I'm going to have a refill on top of the head in complete confidence because they have the best professionals and I'm super happy of the service that I had. So I choose HWT Clinic to do my second hair transplant because I was very happy of the procedure and of the results that I had the first time 5 years ago. They have highly trained professionals. The procedure is quick and painless, and the post-operation is very nice. And then I think that Istanbul is a wonderful city. I spent a year and a half here on a working contract, and the city is enchanting. There are so many things to visit. The food is amazing. So I think it's a great package to come to Istanbul, visit the city, and there's so many things to see. And then do the hair transplant and then go back home for the post-operation. So 5 years ago, when I found the necessity of doing a hair transplant, I was a bit afraid. And a friend of mine, a French friend of mine, came here and did the transplant. And he told me that it was fantastic and it was painless. So I did my own transplant. And now I'm convincing you that it is painless and it is super effective. Look at that. It really looks completely natural. The procedure is around 4 to 5 hours. They take all the hair behind your head and they reimplant it here. You have just maybe 7 days to 10 days where you have to be careful of not hitting your head and putting some shampoo to help to cicatrize. And then you can go back to your usual life. And it will be painless and it would be super effective and you will have your hair back with all the added confidence that it can bring to you. So you cannot hesitate, really. This is the best thing you can do for your appearance and for yourself. So this is my second hair transplant after 5 years. This time I'm trying to have the top of my head refilled, and I still have some good hair behind, so I think it's going to be okay. I'm not sure yet if they're going to shave everything completely or if they're going to use the other technique, which doesn't need to have your head completely shaved. But I'm totally confident that they will find the best method because they are the best professionals and I'm very happy of being here again. My flight to Istanbul was okay. It was quick. I came from the south of France. It was pretty cheap actually. I'm very happy to be back in Istanbul, which is a city I love. And then I encourage all YouTube viewers to do the same. If you feel the need, you should come to HWT Clinic.